no gold is not enough.
In this video, we are going to see the logical operators in PHP. So, for example, I have a variable $a here, which is equal to 10, and $b, which is equal to, let's say, 15. All right. So what we do here is we say if $a is bigger than $b, then echo $a is bigger. Right now, what I say instead of $a, it's simply $a is bigger, and here I put else b is bigger. Okay, so now it should print b is bigger because $a is smaller than b. So if I go here, it says b is bigger. Now what we do here is when we check this condition to print this a, first of all we need to make our a bigger, so as a big, so that now it says a is bigger because this condition is true. But I want that, okay, if a is big, not only then you print a is bigger, we also want to check that if it is bigger than c, but we don't have c, so let's add here. So I say $c, which is going to be 5. So I would say, okay, if it is bigger than the $b, print this, but also check is it bigger than c, so $a is bigger than $c. Okay, so you get the idea here. $a is bigger than b, which is true. This portion of code going to return true. Then we have and. That means this is going to only work if both of the sides return true. Now it is going to check this. Okay, this is true, we know. Now what about this portion? It is going to check this now. So $a is bigger than $c. That is true. So it should print $a is bigger. So we go here, refresh, we get the same. Now let's say $c is 50. Right? Now $c is bigger than everyone. So here this statement returns false because this one returned true and this will return false. So we should get $b is bigger. So let's refresh, $b is bigger. Now this is the AND operator, and you will be seeing one more, which is OR and AND. Now you can use AND like this, and you refresh the page, you will see the same output, but we use in PHP AND like this. So this is the syntax for it. So I'm going to comment here for your reference. So AND it's just is equal to and then we have OR, which is equal to 2 pipes. So now let's see the example for this one. What I say, let's print a is bigger if one of these statements is true. If a is bigger than b or a is bigger than c, if one of these is true, print a is bigger. So instead of AND, I will put here OR and save this, go there. You will say a is bigger because what happened is a is bigger than b, which is indeed it is. Here this goes to false, but it is checking OR, so it is going to print this. Now you can print OR like this too, and now if you check the code, it is going to print the same. A is bigger. So this is how you use the logical operators, and you check as well. Now there is one more that you need to know about. So if I say here OR, it is going to check for one of these should be true, but if I put X in front of it, that is going to be, it must have only one condition true. So let's say I turned it to 5. Now $A is bigger than B and $A is bigger than C. And when I go here, refresh, you will see B is bigger. Because what is happening, PHP saying, okay, only one condition should be true, but you are returning both true. So that's why it is going into else. Now if I turn C to 50 again, in this case, this is going to be true, this is going to be false. So only one is true, which is going to be solved by XOR. So if I go here, A is bigger. So this is how it works. So we have AND, OR, and then we have XOR. So this is something you need to know. I will leave the code in the description for your reference. See you in the next one.
I know gold is not enough.